Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, October the 7th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku and the binary puzzle, and now it's time for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number 7231. 7231. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Should be an easy one. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1-star puzzle. Alright, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. Then dual boxes. I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here at all. Quadro boxes then. I see here 1 quadro box in an L shape. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Well, I do not know in which order these numbers, but when you see an L shape quadro box, remember that the inside box is always at 5 here. Alright, more quadro boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And maximum 6, yes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These, wait, this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have the 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Then I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2, and that box can be 2. We have a double 2 here. If you place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 2 in this area should be here. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. And that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 4 and 1, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box should be also 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape quadra box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so don't want 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. Then well. This box 1. This box can be 3. Well. I need to think. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. And those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 1, need a 3 here, and a 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. It means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. I'm stuck here. This box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 and more. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. Overlooked 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left on 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes to here. These are 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Told you, faster than 50 minutes. And we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the, well, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I will continue in the additional. In the additional, we have 4 puzzles, and in the evening tomorrow, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.